Ever wondered how some videos blow up overnight, while others barely get a few views? What if there was a way to predict the next viral moment before it even happens? That's exactly what AI is learning to do. Analyze massive amounts of data, spot hidden patterns, and forecast what's about to trend next. Today, we're exploring how AI predicts viral trends and whether it's actually possible to forecast the next big hit. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide. From TikTok dances to meme stocks, AI tools are learning how to read online behavior like never before. Let's find out how machines can now predict the future of virality. Every time you like, share, or comment, that's data. AI systems collect billions of these actions every second across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and X. They track keywords, hashtags, emotions, and watch times to find what people love most in real time. This massive data set becomes the foundation of how AI spots potential viral content. AI uses machine learning to detect repeating patterns, like what kind of videos gain traction, what times users are most active, or which sounds are spreading fastest. These models can often predict trends hours or even days before they explode. It's like giving social media a crystal ball, trained on math and behavior. Companies like TikTok, YouTube, and even Netflix use predictive AI models every day. They identify rising topics, trending music, or creators with growing engagement, and push them to more users. That's how you suddenly start seeing the same dance or meme everywhere, because AI has already spotted what people will click next. Content creators are using AI too. Tools like TrendSpider, BuzzSumo, and Glimpse AI help predict trending keywords, analyze hashtags, and even suggest video ideas before they peak. It's like having a data scientist whispering, "Post that video now, it's about to go big." But here's the truth. AI can't guarantee virality. Trends are emotional, cultural, and sometimes just pure luck. A small creative spark or human story can still break the algorithm. I can predict patterns, not passion, and that's what makes the internet beautifully unpredictable. So, do you think AI will ever fully predict what goes viral, or will humans always surprise the system with creativity and chaos? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see what you think will go viral next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI explainers right here on SynthiaTek. Stay curious and stay human.